What's up everyone, welcome back to Ford Adventures. It's Han once again, and today it's a mail day. Just received this package from Easy Oil Drain Valve Canada a couple hours ago, and I thought I'll just do a quick unboxing to show you the contents inside. I was actually inspired by Cheaper Jeeper TV with his oil change video for the winter, maybe a couple of weeks ago. I'll link it in the corner here, and thought I'll give it a try. It looked quite easy. I used to do my own oil changes, then I got lazy and life got busy, and you know what, I stopped. So you know what, since now that I got more time, I should revisit doing my own oil changes. Alright folks, here we go. Easy Oil Drain Valve, part number EZ106P. This is for the Jeep, but if you go to their website, you can key in your vehicle information and it will pull up the appropriate valve for your vehicle. Just looking at the back, there's probably 24 or more different valves with different threads. So make sure you key in the correct information to get your valve for your vehicle. Pretty solid in the hand. This does come with a cap, which is a nice benefit. Just gonna unscrew this. Whoops. So it is currently in the open state. Now if I just I believe I just push down and twist, you can see it's closed off. You can see the mechanism right there in the center, and I just twist and push it up and it just opens it up. Again, pretty nice. Pretty simple. Can't wait to install this on my next oil change, which will probably be in 3 weeks or so. I'm just waiting for the mileage to hit the next marker. Again, pretty simple. Just have to remove your drain plug and then just install this into it. And there you go. Along with the valve, I did also order the L-shape end hose, which you can attach this to the valve itself, and then you add a hose to the end here, and you can drain it to any container you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, have a good day. Bye.